Hey guys, what's happening? How to use call screening on iPhone. Please be aware that this feature is only available on iPhone 15, 16 or later. So, call screening on your iPhone automatically answers calls from unknown numbers, prompt callers to state their name and reason for calling, and displays a live transcript before your phone rings. So, open settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap apps, then select phone or search for phone, then select phone. Scroll down to the call screen or to the screen unknown callers section, tap ask reason for calling. You're gonna have option for silencing or ask reason for calling button. Then just go ahead and turn on or tap ask reason for calling. Once enabled, an automated voice call or an automated voice will ask unsaved numbers to state their purpose. When the caller speaks, your phone will ring and you can tap view on the lock screen to read the live transcript and decide whether to pick up, send a reply, or ignore the call entirely. So, consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time.